Last week, I got the opportunity to attend the Tom Ferry Success Summit, which is actually my 6th Success Summit in Dallas, Texas. And we always come back learning a lot of things. And one of the things that I want to share with you all is a keynote speaker. His name is Shawn Achors. He blew my mind. He came to us and he started talking about true happiness and having a positive mindset and how to maintain that happiness and positive mindset by doing the following 4 behavioral changes to change your mindset. Starting with, when you wake up, write down or say 3 things that you are grateful for within your day. The second thing is, you go out for a 15-minute walk regardless of the time of the day when you do this. The third thing is, do a 2-minute breathing exercise when you focus on your breathing, inhaling and exhaling, relaxed. And the fourth thing you could do is take 2 quick minutes to write a text or email to family, friend, neighbor, anyone in your circle of friends, and send them a message via email or text thanking or praising them. This will get you in the mindset of always thinking positively throughout your day. So this is something that I'm going to start applying myself, and I wanted to share it with you all because I thought it was really fantastic. If you don't know who Shawn Achors is, I highly suggest you search him up on YouTube. His videos are amazing. Any other questions you guys may have, you guys can reach out to me at any time. My name is Bryan Roach. You're listening here in Miami, Florida. See you next time.